Good morning, second graders. We're going to do a little bit of a review on grammar this morning. We're going to talk about nouns. A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. A proper noun is a specific person, place, or thing. For example, George Washington is a proper noun. Hank's drive-in is also a proper noun, and Elmer's glue is also a proper noun. George Washington is a specific person. Hank's drive-in is a specific place. And Elmer's glue is a specific thing. Can you think for a minute of an example of a proper noun? Perhaps you're thinking of yourself because you are a proper noun. For example, Mrs. Hermansater, Mrs. Sodden, Mrs. Sylvester, Mrs. Cicchini, Mrs. Mansfield. We are all proper nouns because it names a specific person. An example for a specific place would be something like Cook Elementary. And let's think for a second. What could we think of that's a specific thing? How about a Hershey bar? That is a specific type of candy. So next we're going to work on a common and proper noun sort. So we just talked about what a proper noun would be. A proper noun is very specific, and proper nouns always have a capital letter. So you're going to take a look at this paper. The directions say to cut and paste the noun in the correct column. But what you can do is type it in. So for example, if we start with the word girl, would girl be a common noun or a proper noun? Good. Girl is a common noun. Let's look at the word Crayola. I notice that it has an uppercase C, so that's my clue that it is definitely a proper noun. So then I would put that in this column. And then you can see the other items that are listed down here in the 3 rows, and you can work independently to choose the correct column that it goes in, whether it's a common noun or a proper noun. Now we're going to move on to one more activity, and at the top you can read it with me. It says, all about me, proper nouns. The directions tell us complete each sentence capitalizing the proper nouns. So you are going to fill in the blanks. And it says, my name is, so on this line, I would write Debbie Hermansater. My name is Dayton Kinderman. My name is Gabriella Norris. Can you fill your name in on that line? Good job. Next, you're going to look all the way down the page and take your time and go through and answer each one. So for example, again, on the second one, the month I was born is, and I would type the word June, June, with a capital J, because June is a proper noun. It's the name of a month. At the very bottom, you'll notice that you can type in the names of your family members. Okay. Yikes. Oh my, me and my technical difficulties. Anyway, you guys get the idea. I'll see you in a little bit. Bye.